Hey guys, it's Gojifan54 here, and today we're going to be taking a look at this amazing Godzilla figure I have. And yeah, so its tail already detached in the first place, so yeah. Let's get on to opening this guy. Alright, so first of all, I'm going to start off with this tab here that you can open up here. I'm going to pull it open. Yeah, okay. Oh, okay. Okay, let's just sell that for later. Okay, let's cut this bad boy open. So, take this extra sharp knife, just don't put your pinky in there. Let's gonna cut these accessories out. I can't do it. Okay, this is actually really sturdy tape. Yeah, okay, it's already out, I would say. I'd say it's already out. Alright, so first of all, we have to cut this guy open. So I'm going to... That was actually kind of hard. Okay, wow. Okay, wow. Okay, let's set that aside. Let's put out the, take out the accessories that come with this. We have to take out the atomic breath piece, which is actually the gummy sort of type. I'm gonna pull out these and then the atomic breath piece. Okay. Alright. Then there's our Godzilla. It's hard plastic. I don't have the audio, but hey, you can move his legs. Okay, the battle damage piece. Okay. It's actually kind of hard to actually put this thing on. Okay, I would say I put that on right now. Okay, let's attach the tail. So yeah, the tail. Somewhere. Oh, I got the tail. I'm gonna plug it in. First of all, we're gonna put his atomic breath piece in. Stick that in there. Okay, that's just weird. What's going on here? Why is this here? That's just weird. I totally wait, no, that's just ugly. Wow. Plamates, why did you do that? Why? I mean, other than that, it's okay. So, there's a ball joint in there. It's not gonna move or anything, I think. Okay, this is really hard. Okay, I'm gonna plug it in soon. I'm gonna put this in warm water. Alright guys, I put this thing in warm water. So, let's try and plug this bad boy into this tail. Okay, this is actually getting hard. You can't move the ball. Okay. I'm struggling here. Alright. Close the door. Alright guys, I actually fixed the tail. Sorry I accidentally not filmed it. Well, yeah, you can sometimes do that. So, yeah. Really, it's actually really nice figure. So, you can move the legs, you can move the arms, you can have battle damage, yada. Yeah. So you can move the hands and the head slightly, not too much. Yeah. Get the atomic breath piece, and I actually just remembered. I actually noticed that I actually put on the wrong way going. No, come on. Oh god, that just looks disgusting.